Guys, today we're playing an adventure map. I want to start as early as possible and let's go. Stage 1, difficult close. Difficulty closed. Difficulty closed. That's the problem. Maybe there is something. Trap chest. I know this trap chest. Okay, this is a maze. I wish this is a cool maze and I will get out of here fast. What is this? TNT. Respawn. I knew that was TNT. Now, see? I'm nervous because I'm nervous. Tomorrow is our foundation day and our dance step is Zumba. Is for girls. And I'm just nervous because I'm a man and our dance is supposed to be for girls and I will try my best to am I back in the start? Mm, and as I was saying, I will try my best to get that to win. Why? Why am I? Okay, let's just get here. Oh my god. How can I get back? It's a long map. Oh my. I don't want to cheat. I don't. Sorry guys, wait a minute. There you go. That's better. And I found that I don't want to cheat guys, but I found out that I'm in the wrong way. And see, how can I get back? There's only one thing to do. What did I just do? Here, let's go here. No, no. Oh my god, how can I get back? This is only just level 2 and I failed. Okay, I knew where I supposed to go now. And I wish there's a way to go there. Not like just one. Maybe this will have a part 2. I don't know. And we're back. We're back again here. Well, maybe there's no way out here. I can I will be right back once I get out of here. Guys, you don't know how long that took, but I'm sorry guys, but I think I need to do this now. Because I can't do that. Wait, where am I? Am I back in the maze? Oh! The The whole maze just blew up. Maybe we need to find the real lever. I know I switched this one. What? Okay, look. If I do this, I will turn on that there. Nothing happened. Let's try this. What the? What? Don't do this to me. No way. Guys, this is it. This is how it works. Stage 4. Oh my god. There is a redstone, so be here. Let's play it cool. No. No, I can't. Stage 4. What is my task here? Oh, my task is to get all the buttons. No. My task is to get out of here. But let's check all the chests first. I don't know exactly where am I supposed to go. And I see stage 5. Keep in mind 2 times 2, 4. What? Guys, I promise to you it's 2 times 2, right? What the? And now I need to... No, I don't need to do this again because we do this. There we go. And we're going here. Okay, keep in mind 2 times 2 isn't 4. Maybe he's trying to ask what level are we now? Look, yes. Stage 6. Oh yeah. Not that hard. Oh, I think I know this. Right. See? That wasn't hard. No. 1. Yes. Okay, that. Okay. Now what? I can't reach it. There we go. Booyah. I think I can. What? What the? Okay. I thought I need to find the button. But now, see you button. And another door. Oh my god. Oh Oh my god. Let's look down. That's not the correct path. Button. Do I need to find the button here? Okay guys, I will be right back once I get out of these doors. Oh look guys, I think I see an opening here. Just let me out please. Wow. There we go, there we go. Oh no, you can't do this to me. No! No, 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 no. I need to do this now. Sorry guys, I always cheat, but there's no way I can get out of here. Guys, I'm so... Oh, maybe there's a wall. Oh, not. Okay guys, I will just break this and I'll be right back. Guys, I'm so dumb. I can't break the block, but I see this hole right here. And I know what am I supposed to do. If I can... How can I get... There we go. Sorry guys, if you love... No, no, no. No! Okay, that was good. I bet I can use it. Yes. There we go! Oh yeah, guys. Okay. Stage 8. Oh my god, this is mind-blowing. But I think I know this map. I know JFM play this or Dante DM. But I wish I can... There's a secret door here. I promise to you guys there is a secret door. Wow, what is that? Sword and sword. Fantastic. It just came back. Okay. There is no door. I swear, oh my god, I think the sword is for this. You ready? Go! Go! Go away! Go away, go away, go away. Okay guys, I think I end this video here. And I post it and I play this again, and if I post that again, after I post that again, I will do a let's play. Guys, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next video. So goodbye.